Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in solo leveling Arise Overdrive game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on solo leveling Arise Overdrive game and then select properties. Then go to controller tab and here select first disable Steam input and then restart the game. You must restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game. It is must just restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter key. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in solo leveling Arise Overdrive game or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripheral such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers or display might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Fix 5. Use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bug or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on solo leveling Arise Overdrive game and then select properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. And the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply close Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't help, then just restart your PC and then when your PC restart, open Steam, launch the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in solo leveling Arise Overdrive game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.